Hi, welcome to Hunnyfly Studios tutorial for the supported starfish pose or supported star. When you're starting with the hammock, always remember, be sure that your hammock is safely rigged by a professional rigger. This is really important. Measure out your hammock so that it's right about hip height. And then remember to grab the edge and shake out your fabric so that you know you have access to all the fabric. You can see how much there is. And then to get into this pose, you want to gather up the fabric, a few handfuls, and then turn around and bring it right behind your back. You're going to get your shoulders in there first. That's going to be really important. And you want to tippy toe, bring it right underneath the butt. And then you will pull the knees up into the chest and sit down. To adjust, because it's kind of more comfortable with it a little bit higher up on the thigh, you reach your arms up and around like you're giving it a hug. And then to adjust it on your leg, do a little sexy walk with the legs. That'll help move the fabric higher up the thigh. And we're going to do a drop back in a straddle. Oh yeah, remember to adjust the low back so that it doesn't gather up by your shoulder blades. So we're going to do this straddle back. Bunch up the fabric right by the chest. Make sure you're holding on and not holding too tight, just holding on to it. When you drop back right away, straddle or widen the legs so that they're wider than the fabric. If they were more narrow than the fabric, then you would do a flip backwards out of the hammock, which we don't want to do. Okay? So you want to try a few of those, being comfortable going back and coming up. And one of the struggles that people have always is holding their breath. So see if you can remember to breathe when you're going backwards, and having a spotter doesn't hurt. Have someone just support your back when you drop back. Once you get down there, you could, if you're comfortable, let go of the hammock, bring the palms to the floor, and bring the soles of the feet together in front of the fabric so that you can hold on a little bit with the ankles. And there are different variations. You could drop a leg back. But to come up, grab the fabric, straddle your legs, and then come up to your seated pose. Bring your feet to the floor and then give yourself a little supported shoulder pose. Great job.